एक गजाल म्हाका मुद्दम आनी तुमी आज ओपनली ह्या गजालीचेर उलयले म्हणून हांव विचारता. डू यू थिंक 16B should be revoked? The section should be revoked from the act.
That 16B should be scrapped. I don't think I'm working in those lines. I'm not really not bothered whether it is sub judice or no now. I hope this judiciary also scraps that 16B and throws it out.
तुम्ही परमिशन स्क्रॅप केली, सेक्शन स्क्रॅप करतले काय कितें?
Hey, 16B, this section 16B, people can approach the department now and they can talk to us. Now to the new modifications that we can do to the regional plan and alterations, what we want to do, we will look at it in that, whatever is justified to the group of experts and the board. But what I'm trying to say is, as far as 16B is concerned, I am, through your forum only, I am appealing to the judiciary, that the judiciary to scrap that. You scrap it off, no problem.
तुम्ही करा न्ही, ज्युडिशियरी kan कितें
कित्याक ते ज्युडिशियरी करून दी,
ज्युडिशियरी करून दी म्हणटा तुम्ही.
ज्युडिशियरी केन्ना ज्युडिशियरी मेतेर कित्याक जाता? Why do they get involved in all these type of things? Because they want to protect the state. And I have total faith in the judiciary.
एक गजाल हा की ती म्हळ्यार खूप महत्वाची जी नॉयज पोल्युशनाची, आणि नॉयज पोल्युशनाच्या बाबतीत तुम्ही परत एग्रेसिव्ह ॲक्शन सुरू केल्या. What are your initial findings? Don't you feel your department also is in a large way responsible?
No, there are
for allowing this to go?
No, I was speaking today to some officers. See, there are some very good young officers in forest department who have come on deputation now to Goa. I want to actually pick up the most strict officers and put them on this particular. एक डोंगरे म्हणून एक ऑफिसर हा, जेका आमी रिसर्च सायंटिस्ट म्हणून आमी आता घेता. म्हणजे तो ते नो टेक झोन्स आणि ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी आयडेंटिफाय करतलो. CRZ नसताना त्यांनी ही वॉज इन डेप्युटेशन इन CRZ. त्याचबरोबर आमचे थोडे RFOs बी जे आहा ते शामील आहा सगळ्या गोष्टी. आणि खरे जेन्युइन जे खंय कोणाक मदत करूंक जाय ते मदत करिना, आणि जे कोणाचेर ॲक्शन घेवंक जाय ते वचून सायन मारता की सगळें व्यवस्थित आहा म्हणून. हे कालची घटना. हांवें काल सांगलें तांकां, तुमकां सस्पेंड करपाची गरज आहा म्हणून. तुमकां आमच्या डिपार्टमेंटान मागीर सांगता रिटायरमेंट जावपाक 1 वर्स उरल्या काय 2 वर्स उरल्या. आमकां काय फरक पडना रिटायरमेंटाचे. तुम्ही ह्या तरेची गोष्टी करूच शकना. ती फॉरेस्ट कन्झर्वेशन ॲक्ट इज अ व्हेरी स्ट्रिक्ट लॉ. Any officer from any other department, if he thinks he can violate that law, we will straight away file a FIR on that officer. There is no question. You have to follow the law. It is not for me. What is why is the significance given to that? Because somebody must have put a thought process to it. Turtle nesting and forest turtle conservation, you सगळे गोष्टी. But I somewhere feel, is that there has to be some sort of sensitization also. Officers also, there are good officers like I mentioned in forest department who I am going to engage now in trying to see that there is a vigil, and we need a squad also to see that. And we have got strict laws already under Wildlife Protection Act. It is about
implementation of the existing laws.
It is about implementation of existing laws. Yeah. So government has to implement. Government must implement. And here sound pollution, I can only talk of areas which are close to these type of conservation sites because I have no authority to do.
About rest of the sound pollution. But नाही, आमची इतली लेवलाचे पावला रेस्ट तरी सोडून द्या. इतल्या सेन्सिटिव्ह झोना भितर वचून आमची तुगेली वायलेशन सध्या चालू आहे.
Those violations have to be nipped in the bud. Other than people feel that they can pay you and get away and all. I got several messages yesterday. I am putting on record on Prudent. तुमका 50 लाख दिता, 25 लाख दिता. I am not here to be. I am not for sale. I'm making it very clear to the people of Goa that please don't approach me with any kind of proposals because I am definitely not on sale. I have not taken money from anybody and I don't want anybody's money also. And as far as I am concerned, I am not one of those ministers who is going to take this money. कालच्यान म्हाका फोन जे आयल्या, जाय त्या लोकांचे फोन आयल्या आणि प्रेशर घालपाचो प्रयत्न केला, ते उपयोग ना तशें. अशें म्हाका दिसता की गोंयांक आमी विकून सोडटले ह्या तरेचे जर प्रेशराचे सकयल आमी काम केल्यार. आयज तुमचे प्रुडंट चॅनल इतले सक्रिय चॅनल आहा, तुम्ही सगळे गोष्टी तुम्ही हाडटा लोकां फुड्यान. आता म्हणूनच सांगलें तुमकां की तुमच्या चॅनला माध्यमांतल्यान आमच्या 70चे पुराय भागान तुमचे सगळे
जागृती जाले म्हणून
जागृती जाली.
जागृतीचे क्रेडिट आमकांच दिवन उडयलें.
ऑफकोर्स प्रुडंटाकूच दिवंक जाय कित्याक तुमच्या चॅनलाचेर जायती चर्चा जाल्या. इट इज नॉट वन सायडेड चर्चा काय, इट वॉज अ जनरल. केन्ना केन्ना हांव गाडयेन बसता तेन्ना आय चॅक द डिबेट्स दॅट हॅव टेकन प्लेस, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ एनीथींग. वन हॅज टू बी ओपन. आयज कितेंय जावं, नंद कुमार कामताचे ते एपिसोड जाल्ले, इट नथिंग. इज अ सिनियर मॅन, इज अ पर्सन हू माय फादर रिस्पेक्ट्स अ लॉट. मेनी टायम्स ही सेंड सर्टन सजेशन्स कितेंय घटना घडली, कित्याक घडली ते सोडून दिवपाचे. पूण हांव ताका मानता खूब. पूण कित्याक ते तरेचे नामनीचे लोक ते कितें तरी केन्ना इनपुट्स धाडटात, त्यो इनपुट्स घेवन हांव मागीर नोट तयार करता, कारण घेवंक जाय त्यो.